Welcome to 446 Sioux Rd in Lake Ozark, where the house isn't just on the water, it's practically competing with the water for your attention. This place is more than a house, it's a lifestyle upgrade. And yeah, it's going to make your friends rethink every decision they've made since college. Behind these trees is the latest listing. It is a $1.7 million masterpiece of a home that sits deep in the Downing Branch Cove, which is off the 3.5 mile marker of the main channel. And I'm gonna tell you right now, the amenities in this house are going to blow your mind. Let's go check it out. This place doesn't just look good, it's practical too. Geothermal HVAC unit, which is basically like strapping solar panels to your comfort. And a detached 2-car garage plus bonus parking. Because of the lake, you're always one friend away from a boat trailer showing up in your driveway. Inside, you've got 4,295 square feet designed for lake views at every turn. The main level flows from a bright living room to a kitchen that recently went under the knife. Full remodel, custom cabinetry, and high-end appliances. It's basically HGTV meets your mother-in-law's Pinterest board, but done right. 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath up here, perfect for siblings, guests, or that one friend who just needs to crash for the weekend, and then suddenly it's Labor Day and they're still here. Upstairs is the primary suite, aka your personal retreat. It's private, spacious, and has views that might convince you to quit your job and become a full-time lake content creator. No judgment from me, I know a guy who did that. Head downstairs and it's like party central. You've got a family room, office, gym, and more space to spread out. And yes, it comes with fireplaces, because apparently this house believes you deserve to be cozy on every floor. It's the kind of setup that lets you host Thanksgiving without people breathing down your neck, or sneak away for a workout when you're pretending to check the laundry. And if you do host Thanksgiving, but no one volunteers to cook, just point them down the road to Baxter's. Upscale American Eats, massive windows staring out at the lake, and steaks big enough to make Uncle Larry forget he's mad about politics. And when you want to swap working out in your basement for working out your social life, you're right near the Bagnell Dam Strip. That's where you'll find more bars than you can hit in one night. Live music and enough nightlife to remind you that yes, Lake Ozark has a pulse after 9 p.m. You've got a prime spot in Powerline Cove. Deep water, 2 dock wells, dual PWC lifts, and because every party deserves a bartender, a lakeside bar with running water. There's even a waterfall feature down here, which means your dock isn't just for boats, it doubles as a spa commercial. And if the plants around here look suspiciously healthy, that's because there are dual irrigation systems keeping everything greener than your neighbor's lawn envy. If this house, the amenities, the waterfall wasn't enough, this dock really tops it off. You've got 2 jet ski slips, storage, a 32-foot and a 29-foot dock slip. You've got all of this entertaining space with the wet steps. You've got a high dive. It really finishes off with this incredible bar with a sink, refrigerator. I can't think of a better place to be every single weekend at the Lake of the Ozarks. So here's the deal. 446 Sioux Rd isn't just about square footage or number of bathrooms. It's about the feeling you get when your mornings start with lake sunrises, your evenings end with dockside drinks, and in between, you've got a short drive to some of the best restaurants and adventures in the Ozarks. At $1.7 million, this house buys you the rarest commodity of all, bragging rights. Because let's be real, anyone can say they went to the lake. Not everyone gets to say they live like the lake. And when you finally climb off the dock and realize you're hungry, good news, you're less than 10 minutes from JB Hooks. Think panoramic main channel views, seafood that actually tastes like seafood, and enough cocktails to forget you once considered buying a pontoon instead of a cruiser. So whether you're here for the water, the lifestyle, or just the excuse to finally buy that giant flamingo float, this could be your next chapter. 446 Sioux Rd, Lakefront, lifestyle, and maybe your last address. Because once you're here, why would you ever leave?